Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience using perm rods on my natural hair for the first time, wet. I've never done this before. We're going to try it and see how it goes. I hope you guys are subscribed to my channel and make sure you thumbs up this video for more videos. I post 3 times a week, so you don't want to miss out on it. So I started off with freshly washed hair. I just came out of the shower. I usually detangle my hair in the shower, but I'm just making sure there's like no, bumps. And, I don't want anything that's going to stop me from these perm rods to not do what it's supposed to do. I use the orange and the blue ones because I have a big head, so I got like 5 or 6 packs. Every time I part the hair, I make sure I apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to see like how it's going to curl with all that moisture. Like I was really curious to see like is it gonna curl or do I need to blow dry my hair. So I part a little bit of hair and then I just wrap it on the rod, create a little bit of like a knot so that it's secured, and then roll it up. When you roll it up, make sure it's not laying on top of each other. The hair is not laying on top of each other so it could dry faster. Based on the research and the videos I watch on YouTube, that's what most people are doing to get like a better result. I really decided to do this perm rod because I do not want to add any heat on my hair right now. Like I'm trying to like stay away from heat. I'm thinking of flat iron my hair. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should flat iron my hair? Let me know because I want to flat iron my hair next week. So let me know if you think I should do it. I'm really like, thinking about doing it. I really need to do it because I haven't gotten a trim in probably a year, and like I'm overdue for a trim. So I need to trim my hair. So I went ahead and repeated the same steps. I made sure I wasn't wrapping the hair on top of each other because if you do that, it's going to take a little bit longer to dry. I decided to just leave this on for like one night because trust me, it's so uncomfortable to sleep with. Like, oh my gosh. I used 3 packs of the orange ones in the front and 2 packs of the blue ones in the back. I wanted like big curls in the back and like smaller curls in the front because I really don't care about the back of my hair. The next morning, I decided to take it out because sleeping with these perm rods, oh my gosh, I cannot. Like, it gave me a headache. I had to take medication. Like, I'm not being dramatic at all. Like, it was very uncomfortable for me. Like, I'm the type of girl that don't even sleep with my wig on. So to talk about these perm rods, oh my gosh, it was like hurting my head a little bit. Not a little bit, like it was hurting. I had to take like medication to like calm my head down. So just know that, if you are tenderhead, this is gonna happen because I'm very tenderhead. That's why I don't like anyone doing my hair. I always do my own hair because I don't like all the pains that come with it. When I was taking out the curls, I was very, very surprised at the result. It was pretty curly for like getting this type of curls with no heat. Like, it definitely looked good. I was like, wow, like it actually worked a little bit. Most people said they see like a better result with their hair blow dried. So I'll probably do that for you guys next and actually try and see if my hair is gonna curl more and like last more. But I was really pleased with the results. Like, it looked really pretty and I loved it. I decided that I wasn't going to style my hair that night because I wasn't going anywhere. So I just sprayed some setting spray on my hair, put on my silk bonnet, and go to bed, because the next morning I was going to church and I knew that, okay, I was going to style my hair when I woke up the next morning. When I woke up the next morning, I decided to open my curls. Like, it looked really, really pretty. I decided to lay my edges with my Got2b glue, and just so that, you know, it looks a little bit, you know, normal and it doesn't look like my hair is just flying out everywhere. But I really, really like the result. I'll definitely do it again, but this time I'll do it with my hair blow dried just to see like how it will look. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post videos 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Yep, I post 3 times a week, and I hope you guys are subscribed. Please thumbs up this video. Turn on your post notifications so whenever I upload, you'll be the first person to know. Comment down below ideas and things you want me to do on my channel and things you want to see. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine.